Hey everyone, welcome back to another plan with me. I just wanted to show you real quick my spread from last time. I used my string lights there, and then this week I'm going to be using my magical kit from Nicole, LadyVDesignz. I'm so excited. Guess why? Because your girl is finally going to Disneyland for the first freaking time in her life. Can you believe that? Yes, it is true. It is the truth. Anna has been hoarding this kit since last year, waiting for the perfect time to pull it out, which is now. So here is my rose gold foiled confetti overlay tape, guys. You guys loved the set so much that it sold out, so I had to dedicate this video to this confetti. I felt like it really matched the set perfectly, so that's what I'm incorporating into my Disneyland kit. And here I am starting off with the bottom washi first, of course, as always. If you guys watch my plan with me videos, I usually start with the bottom washi. And then I just put this really cute quote box. It says, "Dreams come true." Pulled out my rose gold foil sticker stash, and I tried to find date covers for the top, but I felt like the rose gold from Simply Watercolor Co didn't really match the rose gold from the set, so I just didn't put any date covers this time around. You'll see later that I completely forgot to cover up those flags over there on each page, but in the final showing of my planner, you guys see that it is whited out. So sorry about that. I'm still getting used to planning in this Erin Condren. I'm just like, I keep forgetting about that flag. That flag needs to be worked on. But anyways, I went straight to the weekend because that's when I'm going to Disneyland, and I just put all the full boxes there. I have no shame. I'm just putting everything down because they all need to go to when I'm going to Disneyland, because that's what matters to me. That is all that matters in this spread. Y'all don't know how long I've been waiting for the right moment to use this kit, and I am just too juiced. That's why I just went straight for it, no hesitation. And you know what? No regrets too. Anyways, I just put these headers down today, and cut up these planner press bow checklists, which I am so obsessed with. I actually need to place another order because I'm almost running out of these checklists. So I cut them down to 3 because I wanted to put just like 3 top things that we're going to do that day in my planner, just to memory plan, I guess. So when I come back, I can actually just put what I did into my actual memory planner. And I cut down some headers and just put them over these full boxes. And then I grabbed a bow from Simply Watercolor Co and just overlaid that on top of one of the full boxes because bow. And then I wanted to go in and overlay one of the other boxes with a dinner date sticker just to mark that the girls and I are going to get dinner that night. It's going to be a late start, so we're going to travel to LA pretty late into the day, so we gotta get some dinner first before we get to our destination because we're gonna be hangry girls in one car, and that's not gonna be pretty. Finally, moving on to Monday, I made a to-do checklist and just put a heart checklist down. And then I took a paperclip from Simply Watercolor Co and then marked Happy Mail with the sticker kit. And then I made a label box and just wrote down "Walk My Babes" just cause. And then small stuff on the bottom, I added a half box. I kind of just like did not center it, I guess, because it looked nice. So I took a Grumpy Bear Sticker Co boba sticker and just put Boba Shop meeting because I was having a meeting with Shelly to talk about business stuff there. And then in my checklist, I just brain dumped everything that I needed to do for that day, things that needed to get done by the end of the day. Oh, and then I also went on a sushi date, so I used a Bubblemonstickersco sushi sticker, and it was so cute, so cute. I really love Bubblemonstickersco, you guys. If you guys don't know that shop, you guys need to check that place out because her doodles are so on point, and they're so fun, and they just make me so happy when I look at them in my planner. Anyways, moving on to Wednesday, I made a note to myself to film my plan with me because the grand opening sale killed me, guys, and I just didn't have time to film a plan with me, so that's why I'm filming this plan with me today, Wednesday. And then I had to also make a note that I needed to ship out all orders using this postage stamp from Grumpy Bear Sticker, which is so cute. And then on the bottom, I made another checklist for myself using the Planner Press Bow checklist. And at this point, I didn't realize that I completely skipped Tuesday and moved on to Wednesday. So I was like, okay, and I need to move back to Tuesday. So I was like, how can I incorporate my confetti tape into this spread? Because there's so much foil, I can't use it for the bottom washi, which is what it's meant for. So I kind of wanted to show you guys a different way that I used it in my planner spread. And this time I layered it vertically down the full box, and then first off, what I did was I wrote business shiz and then put down a laptop sticker from the sticker kit, and then I put over the confetti tape just to show you guys a different way of using it. What do you guys think? I think it turned out really, really cute, as you are about to see once you see the finished product. Wait for it. Wait for it. And ba-bam! Cuteness. Just a second, I'm about to show you how it looks like. Whee! So pretty. Anyway, Tuesday was a pretty tough day because I had to get up and get all my stuff done. So I just made a note to myself, get shiz done. Moving on to Thursday, I needed to make a reminder to myself to work out, because ever since I was working on this grand opening and like after the grand opening, I like completely stopped working out. So I needed to really get back into the grind. So I made a note to myself. And I used this Grumpy Bear sticker. This is one of my favorite sticker seeds ever. I just love putting it on top of boxes. It just adds such a really cute element to my spreads. Then I put my last full box down, and it's so cute. And then I put a Yaz sticker on top to remind myself to pack for Disney, and then I made a packing list for myself. Lastly, I moved on to the sidebar, which, if you guys don't know, I usually plan in my sidebar last, because I just want to see how my spread looks like before I put down the boxes for my sidebar. And usually I don't put on camera what I need to do in my sidebar, because some of them are a little personal, so I don't film it on camera. But rest assured, I do plan in the sidebar. And that is the finished spread, guys. Look how pretty it turned out. It's so pink. This is like the pinkest spread I've ever done in my entire life. And yeah, like I mentioned earlier, I forgot to work on the flags on the 2 pages, but rest assured, I did wipe them out later. And right here, I just wanted to show you guys how my confetti overlay tape looked. It's so pretty. So pretty. And if you're watching me and you're also a follower on my Instagram account, I'm gonna give you the inside scoop, guys. I am going to revamp my confetti. Shh. And this is the finished spread. I hope you guys like this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. And I'll tell you all about Disneyland and how it was. I can't wait, guys. Bye.